बनना चाहते हो नंबर वन ट्रेडर? वेल नो फिकर। Here are the top market updates that will help you staying ahead in the market. आज की स्टॉक मार्केट खबरों में हम आपको लेकर आए हैं रेल विकास निगम एंड ऑयल एंड रिलायंस इंडस्ट्रीज लिमिटेड के बारे में। रेल विकास निगम state owned company posted a 5% year on year decline in its net profit at rupees 359.3 crore for March quarter. In the March quarter, total revenue stood at rupees 5,719.8 crore, down 11.1% against rupees 6,437.5 crore in the corresponding period of the preceding fiscal. Reliance Industries Limited, NBCUniversal and JioCinema have entered into a multi-year agreement to offer NBCU films and TV series to the OTT platform's premium subscribers. Subscribers will get access to Bel Air, Fast franchises, The Calling, Despicable Me, The Real Housewives of Beverly Hills, Downton Abbey, Suits, The Office and more. अभी के लिए इतना ही। मिलते हैं कुछ और न्यू मार्केट अपडेट्स के साथ।